Hello, Babar here from Bilal Consultancy Limited. Today I am very much excited and thrilled to acknowledge all of you that our company is very much delighted to see a massive response from 20 plus countries. And since the onboarding of Vietnam personnel for our Lean Six Sigma Black Belt training, which is accredited by International Lean Six Sigma Institute England and Exemplar Global America, our breadth of the participant countries has now surpassed 20 plus figure, which is very massive, and we have been very much delighted. And heavens have been very kind that we have been able to achieve this unparalleled field within a span of 1.5 years of launching our powerful learning management system. Moreover, I would like to shed a light on the second component as well, in which our team is planning some massive strategies in terms of scaling the component of Lean Six Sigma, ISO, data analytics, supply chain management, project management, all of these trainings which are accredited by our internationally accredited partners. The core purpose will be to facilitate not only the underdeveloping countries but also to take this growing momentum to the developed countries as well, in order to deliver world-class premium education at a very affordable and at the very convenient price. While also I believe many people have asked us that what has been your unique selling proposition, and I would like to say that the component of mentoring is one of our strongest suit, which has enabled us to achieve this benchmark in a very short period of time. Like all of our professionals who are connected with us, they are not just connected for the specific period of the training. We take them from the very raw level, and then we provide a comprehensive value-added learning curve in which they not only equip themselves with the comprehensive body of knowledge of their particular training, but they have an idea that wherever they will have any kind of issue, our master trainers will always be there to support them in any aspect. So such kind of nuggets have truly helped our company in terms of outlasting not only the competition in the long run, but also we have been able to provide the totally unparalleled value. And now, keeping in an account and exercising this component of unprecedented trainings, we are also bringing some massive scholarships in which we will be delivering some of our state-of-the-art, the world's premium training content, and that quota will be reserved for some of the underprivileged community and some of the other aspects as well, in which our core aim is to build 1 million capabilities by 2030 now. And in order to achieve that aim, we need all of your support, we need all of your cooperation, and we aim to make not only Pakistan an efficient and effective country, but we are also aiming to take these trainings to the Middle East and Australian market. And while doing so, we believe we will become one of the finest management consulting company by 2025, inshallah. And it has been a truly honor and truly like prestigious moment for all of our team members to see the humongous response and trust bestowed by the worthy participants from all across the globe. And we are striving on a daily basis, and we are aiming to make this learning management system more comprehensive, and we want to establish a community of 1 million professionals by building the capabilities of this figure by 2030. And while doing so, we hope so that we will be able to deliver a value not only to the end participant, but at the end of the day, those participants will be the flag bearers of the change, of the real change which they are going to bring in their respective jobs as well.